Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video in CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to import a video that I want to edit. Like this one and add to the track. And I'm going to split the clip and alright. I'm going to select the middle clip that I want to make it slow motion. So go to speed and select normal speed and can change 4 times. So just swipe to the left for slower. You see the result. Right, I'm going to change thing. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.